Hi, my name is Julia, and in this video I am going to tell you 5 things that I discovered while I was learning about Terraform and Google Cloud Platform. The first one, this is a preview of the principal site of GCP in Terraform. On this web page you can find the basics of Terraform using this provided, features and pull requests, hands-on getting started tutorials, examples for provisioning a GKE cluster or deploying into it using Terraform Cloud, news about the last releases, and a guide for contributing. In the description of this video, you can find the slides with links to the documentation of the Google Cloud provided in the Terraform registry, the repository in GitHub with the code of the available modules and resources, and the official documentation provided by Google. The second thing, Google Terraform provided has been downloaded 210 million times since it was published, 108 million times in the last year, 2.6 million times in the last month, and if you go to the GitHub repository, you can see that it's maintained by 14 Googlers. The third one, the provider has more than 250 Google Cloud resources and modules to provision infrastructure in Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, GKE, BigQuery, Cloud Functions, and more. And as mentioned, this provider is collaboratively maintained by Terraform team at Google and the Terraform team at HashiCorp. In the fourth place, if you deploy resource in Google Cloud and now need to manage your infrastructure as code with Terraform, Google provides a tool that you can use to generate Terraform code for resources in a project, folder, or organization. Here, the gcloud command to export your Google Cloud resources into Terraform format. As you see, you only need the project ID and the project number to run it. Just an additional data. You can do the same thing using Terraformer, a CLI tool that generates TF-JSON and TF-state files based on the existing infrastructure. My only disclaimer here is it is not an official Google Cloud Platform product. More information about the requirements and prerequisites in the last URLs. Fifth, since in Google there is a dedicated and talented Terraform team, there is much activity in the press. Here are the last 3 hot news. Google Cloud and HashiCorp deliver a more efficient approach to Google Cloud support services. Implementing AM access control as code with HashiCorp Terraform is now easier, and now you can deploy a Google Cloud virtual machines with Terraform from the marketplace. I know I said that I will include 5 things, but the last one, to help organizations decrease costs, reduce risk, and deploy faster, HashiCorp and Google have closely partnered to deploy and develop Consul and Vault and Terraform, of course, integrations to support and enhance the value of infrastructure as code. And that is all. Thank you very much. That is my personal web page.